Have you ever looked at another woman and wondered, how does she always look so much taller? She isn't wearing 6-inch heels and she isn't any taller than you. In reality, she's simply using a few smart styling tricks that you don't know. She's wearing clothes that work with her body instead of against it. Therefore, today I'm sharing 9 classy style secrets that can instantly make you look taller and more confident. Welcome to Classy Over 40. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to dress in a way that makes you look taller without changing your height. Number 1. Wear similar family colors. Wearing a top and bottom in opposite colors is the biggest mistake that completely breaks the body into 2 different sections. We all do it sometimes. A dark top with very light pants or a bright blouse with dark jeans. There's nothing wrong with wearing different colors. But here's the thing. When your outfit is split right across the middle, the eye naturally stops there. Instead of seeing one long shape, people see 2 shorter ones. That's exactly why some outfits make you look shorter without you even realizing it. The better choice is creating one long line. That doesn't mean you have to wear one color from head to toe. You simply want your top and bottom to stay in the same color family. Navy with dark denim, or beige with cream, or even soft gray with charcoal. The whole outfit flows much better, and your body instantly looks longer. Here's a simple tip. If you're wearing jeans, try matching your top closer to the color of your bottoms. It's one of the easiest ways to look taller without buying anything new. Number 2. High-waisted bottoms. Really do make a difference. Now, this one has become a favorite for petite women over the last few years. High-waisted pants, jeans, and skirts. Years ago, low-rise styles were everywhere. We all remember them. They were trendy, fun, and almost impossible to avoid. But honestly, they also made your legs look much shorter. If you're over 40, you don't want to do it because it shows you inappropriately for your age. The truth is, low-rise bottoms cut your body lower than your natural waist. That means your legs appear shorter and your upper body looks longer. That's not the most flattering balance for a petite frame. High-waisted styles work in the opposite way. They lift your waist visually, making your legs appear longer even though your height hasn't changed at all. And that's exactly why they look so elegant after 40. The best part is that they work with almost everything. Jeans, wide-leg pants, tailored trousers, and even skirts. Just remember one small trick. Tuck in your top, or wear a shorter top that lets your waist show. If you completely cover the waistband, you lose most of the lengthening effect. Number 3. Start wearing more vertical lines. Now let's talk about one of the oldest styling tricks out there. And unlike many fashion rules, this one still works. Vertical lines. Many women think this only means wearing striped shirts, but that's only one small part of it. Vertical lines can come from a long cardigan, an open blazer, a row of buttons, center seams, or even a long necklace. The reason they work is simple. They guide the eye up and down instead of side to side. That creates the feeling of a taller, longer body. The mistake many petite women make is wearing too many wide patterns or bold horizontal details. Those details pull the eye across your body instead of down it, making your frame look shorter. The better choice is adding just one vertical element to your outfit. Maybe it's a lightweight blazer left open. Maybe it's a pinstripe shirt. Or maybe it's simply wearing a long pendant necklace over a plain top. You don't need your whole outfit to have stripes. One vertical detail is often enough. Because when the eye keeps moving, your body naturally looks longer. But even the best outfit can lose that effect if your jacket is the wrong length, so let's fix that next. Number 4. Choose the right jacket length. Many women buy oversized blazers because they're fashionable right now. And while they can look beautiful, they don't work for every body shape. If a jacket falls too low on a petite frame, it can make your legs disappear. Suddenly, your body looks shorter, even though nothing about your height has changed. The better choice is a jacket that ends around your waist or upper hips. Cropped blazers, fitted denim jackets, and shorter cardigans all help define your shape without hiding your legs. Here's a simple tip. Whenever you try on a jacket, look at where it ends. If it covers most of your hips, try a slightly shorter version and notice how much taller you instantly appear. Small changes really do matter. And speaking of small changes, there's another tiny detail most women never notice. It's your ankles, and they can make a bigger difference than you think. Number 5. Show a little bit of your ankle. Now, here's a tiny detail that makes a surprisingly big difference: your ankles. For years, many women wore pants that gathered around the shoes or covered them completely. But here's the thing: extra fabric around your feet can make your legs look shorter. Instead, try jeans or trousers that stop just above your ankle, or gently show a small amount of skin. That little space helps create a cleaner line from your legs to your shoes, making your whole outfit feel lighter. And if you don't want to buy new pants, don't worry. Simply rolling the hem once or having it shortened by a tailor can completely change how they look. It's a small change. It costs very little, but it makes your legs look longer almost instantly. Sometimes the smallest changes have the biggest impact, but your outfit isn't finished yet, because the shoes you wear can either make your legs look longer or shorten them instantly. Number 6, pick shoes that make you look taller. Now, let's move down to something many women forget about: your shoes. Most women spend a lot of time choosing the perfect outfit, but very little time thinking about how their shoes affect their height. But here's the thing: the wrong shoes can make even the most beautiful outfit look shorter. Years ago, chunky shoes, thick ankle straps, and shoes with heavy designs became very popular. They were fun, trendy, and easy to spot. But for a petite woman, they can work against you. A thick ankle strap creates a strong line across your leg. Instead of letting the eye move naturally from your outfit to your feet, it suddenly stops at your ankle. That one little detail can make your legs look shorter than they really are. The better choice is simple: wear shoes that continue the line of your legs instead of breaking it. Pointed toe flats are a wonderful option because they naturally make your feet look a little longer. Nude shoes that are close to your skin tone also work beautifully because they create one long, clean line. If you're wearing trousers or jeans, shoes in a similar color to your pants can have the same effect. And don't worry, you don't have to wear high heels every day. That's one of the biggest fashion myths. You can absolutely look taller in comfortable flats if you choose the right shape and color. The goal isn't more height. It's creating one smooth, balanced line from head to toe. But even the perfect shoes can't help if your clothes are hiding your shape, and that's our next mistake. Number 7, don't let oversized clothes hide your shape. Oversized fashion has been everywhere over the last few years. Oversized shirts, oversized blazers, oversized sweaters. And while these pieces can look stylish, they don't always work for a petite frame. Many women choose oversized clothing because it feels comfortable. Others feel it hides areas they don't want to show. That's completely understandable. But here's the truth: if your clothes are hiding your entire body, they're also hiding your shape. Instead of looking relaxed and elegant, the outfit can start looking heavy. The better choice is wearing clothes that gently follow your shape. That doesn't mean everything has to be tight. Not at all. A relaxed blazer with a fitted top underneath works beautifully. A loose sweater with straight-leg jeans creates balance. Wide-leg trousers with a tucked-in blouse can look incredibly elegant. Notice the pattern? Whenever one piece is relaxed, let the other piece create some shape. That's what keeps the outfit balanced. Here's a simple tip. The next time you try on an oversized shirt, do a small front tuck into your jeans or trousers. It takes less than 5 seconds, but it helps define your waist and instantly creates a taller, more polished look. Once your clothes fit the right way, it's time to look at the finishing touches, because your accessories matter more than you think. Number 8, pay attention to the size of your accessories. Here's one styling trick that many petite women completely overlook: your accessories. A handbag, a belt, or a necklace may seem like a small detail, but together they can completely change the balance of your outfit. Years ago, oversized bags and chunky jewelry became a huge trend. And while they can look beautiful, they don't always suit a smaller frame. A very large handbag can make your body look smaller. An extra wide belt can cut your body in half. Heavy necklaces can make your upper body feel crowded. Instead, choose accessories that match your frame. A medium-sized handbag, a slim belt, simple jewelry. You don't need tiny accessories. You simply need pieces that look balanced instead of overpowering your outfit. Here's an easy rule to remember. Your accessories should complete your outfit, not become the only thing people notice. When everything feels balanced, your whole look becomes more elegant. But there's one final secret that no handbag, necklace, or pair of shoes can replace. And it might be the most powerful tip in this entire video. Number 9, don't forget your posture. Let's finish with the most important style secret of all, your posture. I know this isn't a piece of clothing, but trust me, it changes everything. Many petite women spend years trying to look taller through fashion, but then they forget the one thing that makes the biggest difference: standing tall. We all have days when we slouch without even noticing. We look at our phones, work at a desk, or simply get tired by the end of the day. Over time, it becomes a habit. But here's the thing. Even the most expensive outfit won't look its best if your shoulders are rounded and your head is looking down. The moment you stand a little straighter, pull your shoulders back, and lift your chin, your whole appearance changes. You instantly look taller. You look more confident, and your clothes fit the way they were meant to. Here's the best part. It doesn't cost a single dollar. A simple tip is to check your posture every time you walk past a mirror. Shoulders back, chin up. Stand naturally, not stiff. After a few days, it becomes something you don't even have to think about. So those are the 9 classy style secrets that can instantly make petite women over 40 look taller. The best part is that none of these tips ask you to change your body or chase every new trend. They're simply smart styling choices that help you make the most of what you already have. Start with 1 or 2 tips. Try them with the clothes already in your closet, and you'll be surprised how much taller and more balanced your outfits begin to look.